E esse casal te acordou com barulhos na cozinha.
Yeah, it does lock too. Just opened it.
Oh my god. This is getting horrendous.
This is getting horrendous. Look at it. It's smashed on top of there as well.